Evaluate this integral using Simpsons Rule with 5 ordinates to 3 decimal places. Here's the formula here, and here's the formula for h as well. So the first thing to do is to get h. So let's work that out at the outset then. So b minus a, here's b, here's a, over n. So it's pi over 2 minus pi over 6. So let's change that to 3 pi over 6. 3 pi over 6 minus pi over 6 all over. Number of intervals is 4, because the ordinance is 5, so it's 1 less. This is 3 pi over 6 take pi over 6. 2 pi over 6 over 4 is 2 pi over 24, which works out at pi over 12, doesn't it? So we need to write them out in pi over 12, and increment by pi over 12. 5 ordinates, so let's write them down. There they are there. There's the 5 ordinates. Start from pi over 6, but we're going to write it in the equivalent fraction form, pi over 12, so that's 2 pi over 12. Increment by this interval distance then, so 3 pi over 12, and so on. Right up to the last value, pi over 2 will be 6 pi over 12, is the equivalent in 12ths, 6 pi over 12. So get the y's then, so y naught. Get these ordinates. So we've got root cos x. So I'm just going to write f of x for our function here, and it will be f of 2 pi over 12, and f of 3 pi over 12. We need to just tap these in the calculator. And then f of 6 pi over 12 at the end. Tap these in the calculator then. It's a square root of cos x. So let's do that then. So it's a square root. Make sure you're in radians mode, which we are. So it's a square root then of cos x. And the first value is 2 pi over 12. 2 times pi divided by 12 equals 9. We'll work to 5dp so that our answer can be accurate to 3dp at the end. So 93060. 93060. Next one, 3 pi over 12. Let's just toggle back now. Change that 2 to a 3. 840896. So it's 90, isn't it? The 89 goes up to 90. 84090. 0 points. Next one is 4 pi over 12. Root 2 over 2. 70711. 5 pi over 12 next. Just a couple more to get now. 50874. 50874. 0 point. And then the last one, 6 pi over 12. Toggle back. Naught. Pi over 2, cos pi over 2 is naught, square root of naught is naught. So we could have worked that one out straight away. So now according to our formula then, so the integral is equal to h over 3, isn't it? So it's pi over 12 divided by 3, which is pi over 36, times the first plus the last, because it's y0 plus yn. So that would be 0.93060 plus 4 times. Now 4 times the odds other than the first and the last, isn't it? Here's the odds, 4 times. So that one and that one. 84090 plus 0.50874 plus 2 times the evens now. And there's just one even at 2 times all the evens other than the first and the last, which is this one. 0.70711. Close that bracket and then close the bracket at the end. Now we can work out the answer, which we'll tap in the calculator and we'll work it out to 3dp. Let's do that then. Pi over 36. So it's pi divided by 36 times bracket 93060 plus 4 times bracket 84090 50874. Close that bracket, plus 2 times, we don't need a bracket for this, 0.70711, and then close the bracket at the end that we need. 6757, so it's 676, isn't it? 0.676. 676, and that was to 3 decimal places.